At this point, you've gotten her attention. She agreed to a date. And once you've spent a little time together, you might be feeling brave and want to turn up the heat. Try some of these. I like you. Nahan ko nimo. Nahan ko nimo. I have a crush on you. Na ako'y crush nimo. Na ako'y crush nimo. I can't get you out of my mind. Di ti ka malimtan. Di ti ka malimtan. You're so beautiful. Guapa kaayo ka. Guapa kaayo ka. You smell nice. Humot ka. Humot ka. And when the moment's just right, you can ask, may I hug you? Pagaksa ko. Pagaksa ko. May I kiss you? Pahalok ako. Pahalok ako. Where can I kiss you? Asa ti ka pwede halukan? Asa ti ka pwede halukan? That one might just confuse her at first, but if you use it with a sly grin, she'll know what you mean. And if you're feeling super bold, wanna go home with me? Ubanta uli sa balay. Ubanta uli sa balay. Would you like to do the horizontal hula? Gusto ka mo boom boom? Gusto ka mo boom boom? Okay, folks, that wasn't a literal translation. I just keep it PG here, but if you use that phrase, she'll know exactly what you're talking about. And if you feel like saying something foolish, here are the ultimate words to win her heart. I love you. Gihigugmati ka. Gihigugmati ka. I will be yours forever. Imuhara jud ko. Imuhara jud ko. Will you marry me? Pakasalta. Pakasalta. Now, by that point, you won't even need language anymore.